Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about how to improve your credit score on your own without having to pay for credit repair. Now, of course, there's nothing wrong with credit repair. There's a lot of legitimate places out here that's really trying to help you, like us, 850 Club. However, sometimes you may not be in the best financial position, or you may not necessarily want to pay what it costs to work with a legitimate company. So we did create another option for you, and that's our do-it-yourself credit course. Okay, that's a part of our 850 Club Elite membership, and that course shows you exactly what you need to do to improve your credit score based on your current credit report and your current scores. So it shows you exactly what accounts you need to consider adding to your credit report. It also comes with our dispute package as well, so you're able to send off your own dispute letters, and it's the exact same process that we have here at 850 Club, and all you have to do is just follow that exact same process. And of course, as we know, with building credit, some people really focus on just removals. Okay, with removals, some things come off, some things don't. However, a lot of people don't know what to do, how to build around the negative items and still improve their credit score, qualify for home ownership, lower their car payment, get a high limit credit card. All of that is inside of that course, and it literally walks you through it. And the best part about it, guys, is that it's affordable. But that's not it. It comes with some other courses as well. It comes with our business credit course, so you can learn how to build business credit properly in a 12-month period or less. You also have the home buying course. So if you have a goal to go into home ownership or rental property ownership, you most definitely can do that. And then last but not least, it shows you how to purchase or lease a vehicle at the dealership. It shows you exactly what you need to do before going to the dealership, while you're at the dealership as well during the negotiation process. So all of that is available for you as a part of our 850 Club Elite membership. So of course, if you want more information and want to learn more, all you have to do is click the link below. It's also inside the description as well. All right. So if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.